Every day is a new beginning. A chance to rise above, to break through, and to create a brighter future. At New Journey Coaching, we believe in second chances because we've lived them ourselves. Motivation starts with action. Let today be the day you choose to take control of your life. We'll help you set realistic, achievable goals that empower you to move forward with confidence. You are stronger than you know. Believe in yourself, and together, we'll unlock your true potential. Challenges are meant to be conquered. With determination, guidance, and support, we'll help you overcome every obstacle. Founded by Ermias, a former offender who's turned his life around, New Journey Coaching is a team of ex-offenders, behavior specialists, and therapists. We understand the struggles of reintegration because we've walked the same path. From resettlement coaching to free therapy, CV creation, budgeting advice, and much more, we provide compassionate, tailored support to help you thrive. We're not just here to help you rebuild your life, we're here to help you discover your purpose and achieve lasting growth. Whether you're seeking guidance, support, or inspiration, New Journey Coaching is here for you. Visit our website, follow us on social media, or call us today. Let's start your journey to transformation together. New Journey Coaching, inspiring hope, empowering transformation.